Hi and welcome back. I got this face and mill cutter free of charge from Banggood, although I had to pay 88 Swedish crowns to the Swedish post node to get it delivered to me. Anyway, I also had to make this part to make this face mill fit to this shank here, and it comes with 10 carbide inserts and AP MT 1604 M2 are they called, and they look like this, and also Torx key or tool, should I class. So I think we're gonna try this. I think this pretty dull, in fact. Well, and I also got an M8 bolt to hold this together. So let me mount it on the milling machine and we'll try it out. Okay, I got a piece of steel here, and the RPM will be 750. The traveling speed will be 32 millimeters per minute, and the deep of the cut I will only take 0.2 millimeter, and we see how it goes. And I will use no oil. We try it dry. I will zoom in a bit here. We'll try it there. Okay, let's go. Well, looks pretty good, in fact, I think. Of course you can't see it. There you are. And this is the way it looks. I turn it around and we try a bit deeper cut. Okay, let's try 0.4 millimeter deep, and the same RPM 750 and the same traveling speed 32 millimeters per minute, and use some oil. So here we go again. Okay, let's see. If I hold it like this, And here I take 0.2 millimeters cutting depth, and that was a really good, nice surface. But in this case I doubled to 0.4 millimeters, and I can feel this. So what to do? Go deeper, or well, we'll see. Let's try 0.6 millimeters cutting depth. Well, as you maybe can see, this was a little better surface, I think. Okay, we try 1 millimeter cutting depth. Take a look at the surface. Well, it's pretty decent, I think. Quite alright. I said earlier that I thought that this carbide inserts was a bit dull, so now I have sharpened this with the help of this stone. So let me mount this in the milling machine and we'll test it. Okay, we try with 0.2 millimeters as we did in the beginning of the first test. And the RPM are the same, is the same, 750, and the traveling speed 32 millimeters per minute. So here we go again. Well, I don't think it was any improvement. Let's try 1 millimeter cutting depth. Well, I don't know if it's a big difference. I think we will try some aluminium and see how it performs. Alright, here I have a piece of aluminium, and we try cutting depth of 0.2 millimeters and 750 RPM and 32 millimeters per minute in traveling speed. So we try it dry first. Okay. Yeah, nice finish, I think. We try 1 millimeter and see how that performs. Well, I think they all didn't do anything. It's the same surface. Nice surface, I think. So let's sum this up. So what is my conclusion about this Banggood end mill? Well, I think for the money it's quite alright. So I give the thumb up for this. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon. Bye bye.